Hello and welcome back to Super High Graphics. So nice to have you guys here. So today what we'll be looking at is how to make this simple burger flyer or burger design, so to say. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Click on a fresh page, delete what you have on your screen. Yeah, it's show time, okay? Click on color on the background to get this color that I made use of in the design. Under color, come to color grading. Under gradient, just what is there, just move this one back. Bring this one a little bit forward, like just bring it back inside like this. Yeah, great. Here we have the background. It's not totally black. Yeah, that's what I want. So okay, that the next thing that I did was when I thought about this design, I have some things that I've gone out to source for, which is I went to download them, so I will just make use of them. First thing, I'll just bring in let's say the burger. Okay, here's the burger. Okay, that just place the burger right there at the center, a little bit like this. You can see that. Okay, good. Now the next thing is, let's write the name. Let's just make it yummy spice. So you just write the yummy. Okay, make it a capital letter. Okay, that just bring it right here, bring it to the center, bring this one down, bring it to the center. Let's get a font for this. You know, in this design, since it's not so much of a plenty text, we have to make the text. We have to select a font that is bold. So I'll just look for a bold font, and I'm always speaking about, okay, here, Photoros regular. So just like that. Let me check the size. For the size is just 53. So okay, that, and there you have it. The next thing is just duplicate it, edit it, and yummy and spicy, that's what we want to make it. So you just type in the and okay, that, okay, and just bring that right to the center and just place it at the center. Use your positioning to set it properly, something like this. You can see it. Now this is great. This is how I got it. You can see it's at the center of the middle letter. That's the center word. The center letter is at the very bottom center of it. So you can do the same. Just duplicate the yummy again and just place it somewhere here. Edit it and just type in the spicy, like spicy. Okay. Make it a capital letter also. Just bring it right under this. Okay. Position them at the center. Then this one also. Back at the center. Okay, great. Now the next thing that I did was just to search through and get some beautiful colors that I will make use of. So click on the yummy. Let's get a color for yummy. Already under gradient, there are some colors that I made use of, but how I got the color is what I will show us. So just click on this place here, come to this one and just select the red color. Okay, there we have red color. Move it back a little like this to get a deep red. Okay, the number that I want to make use of is #AB 0803. So okay, that's for the first one. Then you click on this other side, come to the color again and just come to normal red and pick just something lighter, like a lighter red. Okay, and the style of the gradient that I made use of in that design was this center gradient. So let me select something a little bit light. Okay, so this is it. This is it. So this is the one that I made use of. This is the one that I made use of. But that's how I got the color. So the red can be deeper. Let me go back to this side. Make this one a little bit deep again. This one, you can still make it deeper. Okay, so as this one, the effect of the center one will show. Okay, now you can see this is how I got it. The next thing, I just left the ant to be the same. So I went to the spicy and just get a gradient color. You can just select normal, this first one, come to color edit, then you try and bring this one close to orange, something orange like this. Okay, just get something like this. Okay, that should be gradient, under gradient. Then you come here, just come to color, bring it closer to this side, something orange, red / orange. So you can just make it a little red. Okay, the next one, make it something little red. Click on the second one like this, then come to here, then make it something orange, like you can see it. So basically it's just my normal red and orange color that I do use to make use of for my designs that I made use of. So here is it. This is how I got it, and you can make it any style of your choice. So that is for the first one. Then the next thing is, I have some flames at the bottom line, so I'll just come and I have the flames downloaded already. So here is the flames. Here's the flame. Okay, that now you have the flame, drag it and expose it. You can see how I got the curvy. By dragging it, I have something curvy like this, so you can extend it a little, still drag it out. Okay, something like this. So you can see the flames like it's burning out. Good. Let me reduce this. Okay, this is how I got it, and here's the flame. The next thing is just to spice up the other white spaces with something pepper, tomato, green, and all of that. So I'll just do them now. Okay. Duplicate that. You can just come to crop and just click on this to change it. Okay, that, and just rotate it something like this. You can see this. So reduce the size. Just reduce the size and position it somewhere here. Now the next thing is, I have some kind of tomato. Okay, here is the tomato that I downloaded also. So I will just crop out like the half part of the tomatoes. Okay, just okay that. Reduce the size also. Rotate it something like this. And just place it somewhere here. Duplicate it. Place it somewhere here. Okay, you can see how I did that, like some part is cut out. Now the next thing is, there is this green, the burger has some kind of green. Okay, here is a green leaf. You can just use any of the green leaves, so I made use of this one. Okay, so you can see the burger has some green spice on it, so let's add some green, something greenish to spice up our design. So you can just add it anywhere on the page, but make sure it is stylish. So it can just be anywhere. So you can see that you can place it anywhere. So the next thing is just to copy this, like this yummy, copy it, bring it down here, edit it. Let's put down order now. Okay, let me add like exclamation. Okay, and that is it. You can reduce the size of this, something like this. Okay, all you just have to do to make it visible, so as it can be catchy, it will catch attention and it will align and go well with what you are designing. So we just make it a white color. Okay, you can see that now it stands out like other now. You can see it. So designing is not just about designing, but okay, it must catch attention, it must pass the message across without stressing the reader or the target audience. So the next thing that I did was just to come to shape, create a small rectangular shape like this. While it's edited, make the radius 100 and reduce the size, increase it like this, and just place it under the other now. Increase the size like this. You can see that. Okay, just okay that. Now the next thing was just to give it some kind of color, and I gave it the same gradient color that I made use of here. You can see this. Okay, now just come into text, type in a new text, so maybe the phone number or the website or anything that they can just use to contact you. So that's how I got this. Okay, so that's just saying this is the phone number. Reduce the size to fit into this. Come to style, under style here, and just make it bold. You can see that. You can still increase the size. Just make sure it fits into the. Let's make use of the icon. That's the size icon. Okay, this is 27. You can increase it. So just place it inside. Something like this. So you can see that this is how I made the design, and you can do even more better. Let me increase this a little. So you can see this. But while I did this, I felt like since we want it to be spicy, anything yummy and spicy, oftentimes it has to be like it's hot. So I want something to represent hotness. After doing this design, I felt like it wasn't complete, so I needed to add something to make it, to give it a symbol of hotness, like hot burger or something like that. So I got something else. So I just went to download some kind of flames. So with this, I just added it to the design. Like you can see the flames to indicate that this thing is hot. So you must, in your design, you must try and make everything to represent everything, so as the viewer can catch the message. Now I feel like it is too bright, so I just came to opacity and reduced the opacity. You can see it. So merely looking at it, either from afar or wherever you're looking at it, you feel like there is some kind of flame, indication of hotness. So it gives the viewer or whoever is looking at it a sense of, damn, I feel like I want to eat this thing. Yeah, so that's what your design, the message the design has to pass across. So that is how I made it. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. I still remain your humble coach and friend, Shegun Peters Oluwaseun Olajuwon.